Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're looking at a pasabay item. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a box that was shipped out January 31, 2024, and we are receive it just now. And this contains, as mentioned in the introductory video, an item that was requested by one of the Heroclix players to buy on his behalf, or in short, pasabay. And I cannot seem to open it. There we go. Okay, so there's no mystery to who the character is. It's in the thumbnail. Oh, sorry, but the person who asked to pasabay, it was JBLOL. So this is his figure, and it is Iron Man from Avengers Assemble set. Okay, let's see the figure. The figure is tightly wrapped and arrived safely. So I was not playing Heroclix yet during the release of this figure. I heard this was a chase from the set. Okay, so you can see the big ass awesome sculpt. Okay, and let's take a look at the card. Iron Man has the armor, Avengers, Scientists, and Stark Industries keyword, and a trait, ultra dense alloys. When Iron Man would be dealt damage, roll a d6 that can't be rerolled. On a result of 1, he can use invulnerability. On a 2, he can use invincible. On a 3 to 4, damage is reduced by 3. Wow. And on 5 to 6, damage dealt is ignored. So it's a conditional defense power. And a special movement power, laser replicate, give Iron Man a ranged combat action with his damage value locked until actions resolve. After the ranged combat attack resolves, Iron Man can make a ranged combat attack as a free action. So it's like semi-flurry but for range. And a special attack power, I think this is the sharpshooter before, I'm not so familiar. Magnetic concussion, Iron Man can use force blast and pulse wave. 270 point values, 270 point of goodness. Real name is Tony Stark. Significant appearance, Iron Man number 4. He seems to be wearing this Iron Man War Machine armor. I don't know. I don't know what MK mark number is this. Okay, you can mention in the comments. Okay, and JBLOL asked to buy this figure because, as you know, this has been legacied in the Wheels of Vengeance set. Okay, so we can also take a look at that, compare it with the old card. So in terms of keywords, Avengers, Stark Industries, Armor, and Scientists, just the same, just been rearranged. This is set numbers, Legacy card 62. I think this is from the Play at Home kit in Wheels of Vengeance. And oh, okay, by the way, the old card also has a special damage power. Give me all the cameras. Iron Man can use Outwit and has improved targeting, hindering, blocking, destroy it, and characters. Okay, so he has now a new trait, Energy Shield Deflection, Impervious. Iron Man can reduce penetrating damage. Okay, so it's a bit of a replication of the old trait. Okay, so special movement, repulsor thrusters, force blast, lip climb, and side step. Okay, so not as potent as the laser replicate. And a special attack power, energy explosion, penetrating psychic blast, concussive wave, definitely better than the old one. And the special damage now becomes enhanced camera targeting, improved targeting for elevation, blocking destroy, hindering characters, and can do range even if adjacent. Free. Choose one for Iron Man to use until your next turn. Outwit and range combat expert. Okay, so he's now 120 points compared to before. 7 range, and then 8 clicks of life. Yeah, that's it. So very, very interesting. I think it's going to be a strong figure, especially for Avengers. That Stark Industries keyword would mean that when you hit this particular character, you can bring out the Avengers 60th Warhammer. Okay, so I'm interested to see what teams J Below will come up with this Iron Man from Avengers Assemble and now from Wheels of Vengeance. So, bye-bye!